Hello, I'm Carpenter Esa, and this time we show you how to make small table.
Yes. How big table we making?
30 centimeters and 50.
Let's start.
Let's start. Top part is this, and bottom part is this,
The smaller one.
smaller.
Yeah.
Dust collector. Next we round the corners. Next we do legs.
Jalat. Leg time.
Leg time.
Yes. Is 50 good? Is it too low?
It is good.
So like when I'm sitting and I have my coffee cup and I put it on a table right here. How tall is
50 or 60. 60.
it? 60. Let's do 60 centimeters.
All right.
Yes. So it's these we're making, right?
Yes.
These joints, so this cross under the top. So now that we have these holes for the joints here, we need to make this cross just a tad bit thinner than these legs, so the rounding looks nice. Two millimeters from each side. Very nice, very nice. If you still haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. So next we're gonna make the joint that goes in these holes, and we're gonna be doing them with this, our router and router table, which we have a video on if you are interested in making a table for yourself too. Next we are cutting this extra off. So next we're gonna be cutting the insides of the legs to be a little chamfered. Ai 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 ai.
Ai ja, ei saa.
Don't use the Finnish mallet, please. Please, only use.
Right.
Don't break your hand.
All right.
One screw to hold it until it's dried. Right. Huh?
Yeah.
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 So what we're doing next is we're putting this at the correct position. So we need to make all the notches so it will slide to place. What? Oh no! You broke it. Womp, womp. Don't worry. You wanna know a fun fact? This glue is actually stronger than the lignin in the wood that's keeping it together. So, the glue is stronger than the wood. Basically. So, no worries. Oh. That's very nice.
Next, wax.
Next to wax. Now, if you really like the content we are making and the videos we're making, please take a minute to think of becoming a member to our channel. And I promise I will force Esa to make more videos with me if at least one person becomes a member of Woodworking Finland YouTube channel. And one more thing, if enough of you join our channel to become a member, then I will make sure that we will send these projects, some of these projects that we're making, to you guys, to the members. Wouldn't that be cool, Esa?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it would be really cool. So we're gonna do that. Please join. join to become a member, please. Esa would love that. Buy Esa an energy drink. So, a little table is now ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Do you have an energy drink again?
Yes.
You're addicted. Addicted to energy drinks. Okay. Subscribe